Hey guys, have a little unboxing. I actually don't know who this is from. I have two. This one appears to be from uh Joel Joel Meadows. I don't know who that is. But I know who this one is. Fingerboards. I actually forgot what I ordered, so I'm just gonna open these up real quick. I'll open up the one from Meadows first. This is fragile. Put a lot of stamps on. Yeah, I have no idea who Joel Meadows is, but I'll find out soon enough. Oh, so that's what's inside. Can't really see anything. Oh, wow. Oh, now I remember. I think his name on YouTube is like Bobo95 Shaw or something. I don't know. I'll put the link in the description. But I forgot what he sent me. I sent him a star fingerboard. Complete, you can say. So, just gonna open this up. See what's inside. Oh. Whoa. Wow. A penny came out. So I guess he sent me a penny. Thanks, I guess. And it just rolled all the way out of my room into the hallway. It's kind of weird. So penny, some 4-corner stickers right here. Thanks. Priority mail sticker. I'll save that for later. 4-corner, priority mail, and another 4-corner. So thanks for that. And now I'll get to the deck. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, note. It says there's a note. Wow. What? Oh, sorry. So it says, "Hey, so your deck, trucks, and wheels are all in here, but I sent you back the hangers that you sent me because I don't need them, and I gave you some extras too, just like you asked for. Well, I hope you enjoy everything. Thanks for trading with me, Joel." So he's pretty legit, and I'll get to what he sent, the main thing he sent me. Wrapped it in like paper and tissue, I think. Oh, nice. So he sent me, wow, he sent me 2 stamps. Thanks a lot. I need them a lot. Thanks. And sent me some. Oh, he sent me my hangers back because he said he didn't need them. They're wide. Thanks, I needed them back. Sent me some black tech deck wheels, some non-sliders, pivot cup, and a tech deck tool. So thanks for that. And we'll get to the deck now. I think I can slide it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, cool. So he sent me I believe this is a Tech Deck Expert skate. I wanted to try one out from Tech, because they look pretty cool. It's a bit thrashed, but at least you can still see the graphic. Toy machine with warning tape. So yeah, thanks for that. Yeah, I'll set this up. And yeah. Oh wait, hold up. What? Really sorry. That was my friend. My friend called. But yeah, so sorry about that. So yeah, thanks Joel. Or I'll put his YouTube link in the description. He's legit, super legit. So trade with him. Thanks for the penny. Yeah, so I'll do this quicker because I got interrupted. This one's from Fingerboards. So I'll just open this up. Oh, it said he told me it was returned because of postage, but yeah. So we'll just see what's in here. Oh, what's inside. I don't know if you can see that. So it's empty. And oh, sweet. Sent me a. Oh, I remember. It was a Skating Fingers deck, I believe. The tape is really worn though. And he sent me 2 sheets of NAR tape. Oh, it's not foam, it's like sandpaper kind of. But I'll put it on. So thanks for that, and doesn't appear to be any extras. Guess not, whatever. The tape's enough. Oh, it's pretty nice. Top's kind of pointed, but I don't really care. I might have to replace the tape though, but yeah. So thanks a lot, NAR Fingerboards. Haven't bought anything from them yet, but I probably will because I saw they have a lot of nice stuff. So yeah, subscribe to NAR Fingerboards and Bobo95 Shala or something, and subscribe to me as well, and I'll have some more unboxings on the way. Thanks.